Welcome to Clavis Technologies, where we revolutionize your design workflow with powerful automation tools for Adobe Creative Suite. The custom Word to InDesign plugin, created for the Mauritius National Assembly, automated the entire layout process, preserving styles, footnotes, and table of contents saving. They simply import the Word file, and the plugin handles the rest. Single-click auto table formatting managed even high-complexity tasks. The Excel to InDesign plugin automated product listing layouts, images, and styles. This allowed the team to transform data from large Excel files to stunning catalogs. Any changes in the Excel or images updated the catalog, which saved time in searching for changes, reworking on the layout, and reformatting work. The Ad Production plugin for display and classified ads pulls ad data directly from the database into InDesign, automating placement and styling. This is ideal for newspapers and publishers handling high ad volumes. The Acrobat auto-linking plugin automatically detects and hyperlinks references, URLs, and page numbers for seamless navigation. Tools for bookmark management, hyperlink creation, redaction, along with batch processing, streamline their PDF optimization workflow. This is perfect for reports, PDF ebooks, and manuals. The Google Drive syncing plugin gave clients a two-way connection between their files stored in the Drive and the content used in Quark or InDesign. Any updates made in Google Drive automatically reflected in Quark or InDesign, and vice versa. This made real-time collaboration easy, ensuring the latest changes were always reflected. The script sequencing and tracking plugin automates, sequences, and tracks InDesign scripts effortlessly. Plus, the script usage tracking provides insights into efficiency, allowing the team to optimize their design processes. We've developed more than 100 custom plugins that allow customers to apply image effects in Photoshop, automate clothing label layout variations, bulk generate barcodes, extract Photoshop layers, color balance print PDFs, pre-flight them, add effects to Premiere Pro and After Effects, and more. From books and catalogs to ads and banners, our plugins automate your workflow so you can focus on creativity. Ready to transform your publishing process? Get in touch with us today.